With regard to tutoring classmates, my name is Angel Rodriguez Silva. In this occasion, I am present on activity corresponding on video of phase 3. The development of the activity corresponding to phase 3 is presented, where the development of each of the proposed activities is presented. Firstly, the development of the infogram describe different different events that occur in the Google companies in determining how the implemented strategy that led to success of its participants. Mm, in the same way, it is possible to understand each one of the thematic proposal for the development of the corresponding activity. Achieving to understand strategies in front of the news creation of companies with the purpose of taking advantage of the new technologies in order to grow the company. That is to say, as it is mentioned, it must have five strategies to be successful. It is mentioned this next. Mm, They develop a broad and wide network of relationships. They identify strategic gaps. They link their work to the existing proprietaries. They work with an eye toward scale. They always charge millions to build their credibility. It is said that starting from this issues by doing things fighting where learning without formal authority can create value and even impact organizational strategy. This is why clearing this case of the brand at Google. That's all. Thank you.